Biological questions for competitive exams. Let's see the question. Amphora is genetically modified. Rose potato, lotus tomato. And the answer is potato. Amphora, which is also known as EH925271, genetically modified potato cultivator developed by BASF Plant Science. It is developed to produce a specific natural starch need for industrial applications. And the next question, which among the following kinds of roots are found in sugar cane? Prop roots, stilt roots, nematophores, nodulous roots. And the answer is stilt roots. In maize and sugar cane, root arise from a few nodes of a stem and penetrate obliquely down into the soil and give support to the plant. They called as stilt roots. And the next question, which among the following disease is also known as pink eye? Conjunctivitis, myopia, astigmatism, presbyphobia. And the answer is conjunctivitis. And the explanation is pink eye or conjunctivitis is an irritation or inflammation of the conjunctiva which covers the white part of the eyeball. It can be caused by allergies or bacterial or viral infections. And the next question, clove is which part of the plant? Flower bud, calyx, inflorescence, fruit. And the answer is flower bud. And the explanation is cloves are native to Maluka Islands in Indonesia. They are the aromatic flower buds of tree in the family of Mitraceae. Syzygium aromaticum. They are generally used as a spice. Which among the following is main structural axis of a vascular plant? Thallus, leaves, stem, flower. And the answer is stem. The explanation is stem is the main structural axis of a vascular plant. The stem transports waters, minerals, and food to other parts of the plant. It may also store the food, and green stems themselves produce food. Sugar, amino acids, nucleotides are constituents of respectively. And the answer is polysaccharides, proteins, nucleic acids. Explanation is nucleotides or organic molecules which are the building blocks of nucleic acids. Which among the following is smallest human chromosome? And the answer is chromosome 21. Made up of 47 million nucleotides, chromosome 21 is the smallest human chromosome. The gastric acid, which is secreted by the stomach epithelium cells, is actually which of the following? And the answer is HCl. These cells are also called parietal cells and produce gastric acid. Hydrochloric acid is response to histamine, acetylcholine, and gastrin receptors. And the next question. The vaccine of which of the following diseases was not included in the EXPAND program on immunization initiated by the Government of India in 1978? And the answer is measles. Explanation. Measles vaccination was included when the API was accelerated by launching the Universal Immunization Program UIP in 1985 to 86. And the next question. Which among the following contributes to the replenishment of soil? And the answer is earthworm. And the explanation is earthworm contributes to the replenishment of soil. This allows air and water to move more readily through the soil. The worms also feed on decaying organic matter, which helps to improve the soil fertility. And the next question is, Bowman's capsule works as a part of functional unit of which among the following human psychological system? Excretory system. And the explanation is Bowman's capsule is related to the process of ultrafiltration in the functional units of kidneys called nephrons. And the next question is, due to which of the process in plants the radiocarbon dating is possible to estimate their age? The answer is photosynthesis. Notes. Radiocarbon is the method of determining the age of an object which contains organic material by using the properties of radiocarbon, a radioactive isotope of carbon. Which of the following is not an example of Pteridophyta? And the answer is sphagnum. Explanation. Lycopodium, ferns, azolla, pteridium are the examples of pteridophytes. Sphagnum is a type of bryophyte. And the next question. Which of the following is the simplest amino acid? And answer is glycine. Glycine is the simplest amino acid. It contains a single hydrogen atom as a side chain. It is also a type of a proteogenic amino acid. Next question is, what is the total number of chromosomes in a normal human being? 46. Explanation is, in humans, each cell normally contains 23 pair of chromosomes for a total of 46, of which 22 pair called autosomes look the same in both males and females. Who among the following discovered the ribosome? And the answer is George E. Palade. And the ribosomes were discovered by George E. Palade. He described them as small particles in cytoplasm that were preferentially attached to the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. And the next question is, virus reproduce in living cells by? And the answer is replication. And the notes. DNA replication is a process by which the double-stranded DNA molecules is copied to produce two identical DNA molecules. And the next question is, gymnosperms are called naked seed plants because of lack of which of the following? Answer is ovary wall. Notes. Gymnosperms are called naked seed plants because of lack of ovary walls. The region where the leaves arise is, and the answer is nodes. The region where the leaves arise is nodes, and the region between the nodes is known as internodes. What are the most important nerves in the human body? And the answer is both 1 and 2. Notes. The most important nerves in human body are the cranial and spinal nerves. The cranial nerves are 12 in number, while the spinal nerves are 31 in number. Next question, which class has the largest number of animals? And the answer is insects. And the explanation is, insects or class Insecta includes a large number of animals in the world. The total number of insect species is estimated to around 6 to 10 million. It compares more than 90% of animals live on the earth. And the next question is, the auditory nerves carries, and the answer is sound information. Notes. The auditory nerve carries sound information. The acoustic nerve is a sensory nerve essential for hearing. It also called as cochlear nerve. Next question, which one has a poison gland? And the answer is male platypus. And the explanation is, the male platypus has a spur on the inside of each ankle that is connected to a poison gland located on the top of thigh bone. What is the number of autosomes in a human primary sperm cell? And the answer is 44. 44 is the number of autosomes in a human primary sperm cell. An autosome is a chromosome which is not a sex chromosome. The cranial nerve that controls the heartbeat. And the answer is 10. The vagus nerve is actually known as the pneumogastric nerve. This is the 10th cranial nerve or CNX. It interfaces with many of our parasympathetic controls relating to the heart, lungs and the abdomen. Tetanus is caused by which of the following causative agent? And the answer is Clostridium tetani. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani bacteria. This is a serious disease of nervous system. Which part of the brain controls the body temperature and desire to eat? Hypothalamus. Notes: the limbic system of hypothalamus that connects it to the cerebral cortex is the center of emotions, drives, and instincts, including hunger and satiety. What disease is caused by Corynebacterium? And the answer is diphtheria. Diphtheria is a serious infection caused by strains of bacteria called Corynebacterium diphtheria. Which of the following is a fungal disease? And the answer is both 1 and 2. Athlete's foods, mother of food. And the answer and the note is athlete's foods and mother of foods are fungal disease. Athlete's food is caused by Trichophyton and Madras food is caused by Maurula mycetomi. Biomass is useful to produce, and the answer is transportation fuels. Biomass is useful to produce transportation fuels, thermal energy, and electricity. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.